Hi everybody and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to have a quick chat with you about life cover. Not the prettiest thing in the world to be talking about, I suppose, but look, I think there's a couple of really basic things that everybody needs to know about. One of those things is the requirement for life cover and how much life cover you should have. So let's take a situation of a married couple that have a mortgage. Now, before I get into this example, actually, it's very important to understand that everyone's circumstances will be different, so it does depend on your own personal circumstances. But if you're married and you have a mortgage and something was to happen to mum or dad premature and they happen to die a little bit early, what happens? Number one is that the surviving spouse will get the widow's pension, and with two dependents, that's about €1,150 a month. Also, they should have mortgage protection in place, which means the mortgage is paid off. So the surviving spouse will have an extra $1,150 coming in, and they'll also have the mortgage cleared. So not a doomsday scenario. So life cover is really only needed in this case to up the finance a little bit, to give a buffer. So again, just really concerned that people may have too much life cover and paying too much for cover they may not actually need. If it's a situation where you're renting and you're cohabitating, which means you're living together but you're not married, it's a different circumstance because you won't have a mortgage protection policy, which means if you die, your spouse or your partner in this case is going to have to continue to pay rent. Also, they won't get the widow's pension because you're not married, so they have no financial support from the state. So they need a hell of a lot more life cover than somebody that's married. But look, when it comes to life cover, if you take, statistically speaking, a 35-year-old couple, okay, so mum and dad are 35 years of age, if you take them and look at the figures, I'm going to show something on screen now, which is a calculation of the likelihood of something happen. I'm going to show you what you really need to be doing. This is really clever. So I use this site from Friends First, and this site from Friends First is a calculator of probability of risk, okay? Bit complicated by the sounds of it. We're going to put Paul and Sarah in here, myself and my wife, and we're both 35 years of age and we are non-smokers. When you see we hit the calculate risk, look what happens. We've actually only got a 7% chance of dying before we get to age 65. But unbelievably enough, we've a 78% chance of being unable to work for more than one month, and we've also got a 24% chance of serious illness. So what does that mean? Well, all in all, we've an 85% chance of something actually going wrong to mum or dad in this situation. So really you need some level of cover. Now, what does that mean to you looking at this video? You need some level of cover. Please contact Ask Paul and we can have a chat through life cover, specified illness cover and income protection. There's more videos on my site in relation to these three things, so life cover, specified illness cover and income protection. But it's just important that you will need some level of cover. It's making sure your hard-earned cash goes to cover the correct thing for you and your personal circumstance. So please don't hesitate to get in contact with us today and we can have a chat through what we think you may need.